I need my sugar every day. I need my sugar every way.
Super simple, but gonna float some boats with this one. You get multi thumbs up from the kiddos or anyone you happen to serve this to. So, we got a couple scoops of chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. We got orange juice. Put that together and you add, at that point, of course, the secret ingredient, love. And now you have a really simple but highly effective thing. The acidity of the orange juice balancing out the creaminess that's part of the chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. You've got the actual chocolate chips, the chewiness of the cookie dough coming up. Really nice combo. People are gonna like this one.
I can show you something.
Secret ingredient cooking. See you on the flip burger side.